Pace bowler into the attack. Good shot for a single. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Turned away for a single. That's an excellent throw. Very good running between the wickets. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Squeeze a single there, good running. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. He didn't get any timing on that one. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Excellent running between the wickets. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Turned away for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Very good running between the wickets. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. Batting. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call good stop. Saved a certain boundary. Good fielding, saving crucial runs for his team. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off for beauty. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. They wanted to hit that ball up and over. Turned away for a single. That's an excellent throw. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. That was a stunning shot.